Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play. I was very blessed to be invited by the gorgeous Rose at Journals in Time and to be invited to have a little preview of her kit that's out now that she's done with the beautiful Rach at Rach and Bella Crafts. And it's a collaboration, so they have this beautiful kit that has journal pages that they've both done. So these are all of beautiful Roses and these are all of beautiful Rach's. And the nice thing is they've actually got kits where they're doing pages that you've got these beautiful front pages and not that one. And lovely back pages that you can use. So I'm planning, so there's one of Rachel's fronts and I can't remember because I've mixed them up, but beautiful, gorgeous colors, lovely autumn, beautiful little friends. So I've printed out a whole heap and I printed them out on, what do you call it, like sandy colored printer paper. So I would actually like to put these into a journal that we have, you know, front and backs on some of them, as you can see. So got some front and backs because I thought that would be just lovely in a little plain journal on its own and something that I can use as a notebook that can remind me of my beautiful friends. However, within the kit, they have these little envelopes and I've cut them out. So they come as little flat pieces and I've cut them out and I thought I'm sure I can actually do something with these and I'm thinking of kind of pasting these down. I'm not quite sure, so we'll see what I end up coming up with. Maybe something like this, that could be kind of cute. So I'm thinking of something that's inside itself and then inside itself, maybe like this. Let's have a look. I might just take my watch off because it's banging on the desk. So it might be that it goes over like that. I don't know. So we'll see what I come up with. Enjoy. He's so sweet, so I really would like to keep him. gorgeous, darling. Leave me a comment below, hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today, and of course please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time, and in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!